Today we'll be studying Be Verb Negative Forms. 今日の勉強はビー動詞の否定の形です。The affirmative forms of Be Verb are I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. These are the singular pronouns. 単数の代名詞の形は I am, you are, he is, she is, it is.Plural forms are we are, you are, and they are. 複数の形は we are, you are, they are. If you want to change this to negatives, say I am not. We add not after the be verb.Be 動詞の後に not をつける。And それは全部同じ。All of them are the same. He is not. She is not.It is not. And this is also same for the plural forms. 複数の形も同じで、最後にbe 動詞の後に not をつけるだけで否定はできる。We are not. You are not.And they are not. Remember, with you, we have a singular and plural form. However, both forms are the same. If we're speaking to just one person, we say you are or you are not. Or if we're speaking to multiple people, we still say you are or you are not. They're both the same.単数の一人で話しするときに You are not or You are you で複数何人いても You are, You are not という同じです。これ単数の時も複数の時も同じです。変わりない。Okay. This is the long form of the negative. Usually when we're using spoken English, we shorten the verbal form. 話をするときには文章を短くする。So for example, I'm not. In this case, we've changed the pronoun and be verb into a contraction. And this is the spoken form.代名詞とbe動詞を短くして話しするときにできるだけ文章を短くする。So, I のときは I'm not. And the same with every other one. You're not. He's not.She's not. It's not. We're not. You're not. And they're not.So in every case, we've shortened the pronoun and the be verb together into a contraction for our spoken English. I'm not, you're not, he's not, she's not, it's not, we are not, you're not, they're not. で、これを全部短くして 動詞と代名詞を短くしているんですね。会話するときに。In addition, we also have another way of shortening the sentence. We can also shorten the be verb with a not in the sentence. With I, we cannot. With I, we can only shorten to I'm not. There is no other shortenings, no other contractions with I'm not. But with you, you can. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. We aren't. You aren't. And they aren't. So with every pronoun except for I, we have two different types of contractions we can do. I 以外は2つの省略できる。最初の動詞と代名詞を短くするか、be 動詞と最後の not を短くする。両方ともは大丈夫。I の時だけはできない。I の時だけはbe 動詞と代名詞を短くする、短くするだけですね。